everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the K60 Pro TKL keyboard, and this one is by Corsair, so I'm very excited for this as I've never unboxed a keyboard from this brand before. Starting off, we have our user documentation. This includes the warranty card as well as safety information. We're also provided with a USB Type-C to A cable as the keyboard is wired. Right here on the top left, we also have our port. This is for the cable. On the back of the keyboard, there are also some height adjustable feet. The K60 has an 8000 Hz hyperpolling rate, and this transmits actions a lot faster. This keyboard also comes with full RGB lighting as well as some FN shortcuts. This keyboard also comes in two different colors. I of course got the black one, but there is also a white version as well. These keycaps are super durable as they are the PBT double shot keycaps. These optical-mechanical key switches are actually the Corsair OPX optical-mechanical key switches, and they offer faster input, which will help your gameplay. And we also have optical-mechanical switches. Alright, so that does it for the unboxing. Now what I found is that the keyboard does have some wobbly switches, but these switches do operate pretty fast as well as come with a fast bounce. And the keyboard also has full RGB lighting as well as a pretty good design to it. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for any new notifications, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!